Adelo, what means carpooling in Spanish, is an enterprise who is focused in transport and specifically in develop technological tools that help people to make more efficient use of their vehicle through carpooling, through sharing the bike routes, and other tools that help both companies and individuals to make a better transport practice. The system makes it possible that people who work or study together can share their vehicles like cars, taxis, and others to arrive in the day-to-day routes to their work or to their university. So they are in a safe group, they share their vehicles with their colleagues, and they can find people who they can take in their car or people who can carry them in our platforms by the web or by smartphones. We have the web version, that is the core, but also the native applications on Android, iPhone and BlackBerry. So arrive to the most people as possible, because more people are in the system, better results we have. Our main impact first is the social experience, because it's very different to be alone, riding like 2 hours to go, 2 hours to come back alone, facing the traffic jam, that to go with your friends or your colleagues. And this is our first impact, the social experience. After that, when the number of users grows, now we have several thousand, but we need to grow much more. We will have the other big impacts, like in the pollution in the cities or the entire transport system. This is the goal, the big goal at the end.